Assalamualaikum everybody. Now I want to show you on how to open and the stuck front hood of an E60 of a BMW. Mine is the cable is still intact, but the one of the hook is have been detached from the cable. So what I do yesterday is that I pull out this and the cover inside. First I pull out the grill, and then I pull out this cover from inside so that I can get my long screwdriver right here, like this, and push it to release the latch inside. So I've managed to open mine, so I will show you just how to what latch that you need to push. Okay, my car is a right-hand drive. You have to use a long screwdriver like this to push the lock, and if on the left hand side you have to pull, so that you have to look for something that can hook the lock. So I will show you what I've done yesterday. I've managed to push my screwdriver all the way in, so that it will come right here. See? Okay. It was a trial and error. You have to just to push it back, and then it's done. As simple as that. As you see here, my problem is this cable is completely detached. That's why the lock cannot be function. So that's what what I want to share today. Maybe if I have any other things that I want to share in the future, I will share it with you all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.